Okay, I'm going to do a couple of videos on how to solve a right triangle. And first we need to know, what does solve a right triangle mean? That means to find all the unknowns. I'm going to start by just finding, let's say, I'll find A real quick. And here are the steps that you're going to use. Drew the picture. Now, I always like to identify the hypotenuse. Now, it's the longest side. So I'm just going to put hypot up here. And then I have to decide which trig ratio to use. Now we have this mnemonic, and what it means, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. Of course, we have to know which one's opposite, which one's adjacent, since we've already identified the hypotenuse. It depends on which angle I have. Now I have the 28 over here with the A. Angle A is 28 degrees. And when I say opposite, it basically points to the opposite. Your acute angle will point to the opposite. So this is the opposite, which leaves us with the adjacent down here. So I need the trig ratio that deals with opposite and adjacent. And my mnemonic over here says that's going to be tangent. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So that does step 3. We're going to use tangent. Tangent of what? Tangent of an angle. So now we're going to set up the equation, step 4. The angle is 28 degrees, and it equals opposite, which is A, over adjacent, which is 10. And now we need a decimal approximation for tangent 28. Now you can go to a trig table like we've been doing, or you can put it in a calculator. Let me turn it on. I'm just going to put let's clear that. Tan 28. And I'm going to get 0.5317. So I'm going to substitute 0.5317. The decimal approximation of tan 28 equals A over 10. Now I will multiply both sides times 10. Simplify out over here. And 10 times 0.5317. 5.317 equals A. So there's one side, and we'll do another side on the next video.